What's up everyone, my name is Alex Kouras and welcome back to my YouTube channel. To kick things off, I want to thank Manscaped for bringing you guys today's video. If you are familiar with Manscaped, you know they offer bundled grooming package options for the modern man. This includes their performance package, which features their lawnmower waterproof electric trimmer and weed whacker nose and ear hair trimmer. Both of these products are fantastic and really do exactly what I expect them to do. But what about those of us that want to go bare down there, if you know what I mean? Introducing to you the brand new Ultra Smooth package by Manscaped. Straight off the bat, the packaging of the products are really masculine and I really like that black and gold design. Manscaped did a great job with their packaging for this product, so I'm really excited about that. And inside the box, you'll find the crop exfoliator, the crop gel, and the super nice crop shaver that is the perfect size to groom your nether region. The crop exfoliator is infused with witch hazel, willow bark, enzymes, and volcanic rock to gently exfoliate skin, revealing a smooth surface and clean slate to shave on. For the best results, you want to use the crop exfoliator before you start shaving in order to reduce ingrown hairs and smooth out the surface of your skin. The product itself has a similar texture as some of those gritty face exfoliators. It feels really nice on my skin and I could definitely tell my skin was much smoother after applying it. The crop gel is a unique clear shaving gel made just for the groin so you can see what you're shaving. The crop gel is infused with grapeseed oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, and orchid flower extract to help moisturize and protect skin while shaving. The fact that the shaving gel is clear and it's also quite thick as well makes this product by far my favorite shaving gel on the market. The final product in the Ultra Smooth package is the crop shaver. The crop shaver comes in this really nice carrying case that can absolutely fit in any of your travel bags. If you look closely at the smaller size of this shaver, the crop shaver was specifically engineered for shaving your groin area. I would say that the crop shaver is right around 3 to 3.5 inches in length to give you an idea of its actual size. The crop shaver features 3 precision blades, a micro comb bar, and a pivoting head. It also has extra wide lubricating strips that soothe the skin with avocado oil, argan oil, aloe vera, and vitamin E. And for those of you out there that really need to consider the ingredients, all 3 products from the exfoliator, gel, and shaver strips are vegan and free of any parabens or sulfates. The ingredients are there to make your shaving experience as efficient and skin-friendly as possible. And to make the Ultra Smooth package that much better, Manscaped is giving you 6 replacement blades to keep your groin and body smooth for a long time. And so right now we're going to kick off the demonstration. You guys, I got a nice hairy chest just for you. So to kick things off, step number 1 to the 3-step process is taking the crop exfoliator, getting yourself nice and wet in the shower, and then grabbing the exfoliator and going to town on your chest or your area that you want to shave. In this demonstration, I'm going to be doing kind of like a split test. So the left side of my chest, I'm going to be using the Manscaped Lawnmower 4.0 to trim first. And then the right side of my chest, I'm just going to go ahead in with the crop shaver and try and shave just to show you guys that you do need to trim yourself first before you go ahead and shave. So it's a very big thing and I wanted to make that very clear in this demonstration. So once you go ahead and do that, grab the crop gel, which is super sweet because it's clear. It's not that foamy white stuff, so you can't see what you're doing. With the crop gel, you can absolutely see exactly what you're doing, and it's a really, honestly, it's a great product. It works super well, especially on my skin because it's very sensitive. But as you guys can see right here, I just kind of went in and tried to do it with the crop shaver on the hairy side of my chest, and it just wasn't working. And honestly, I feel like this kind of messes up the blades in the shaver. So you always want to make sure you trim the hair first with some type of trimmer. I love the Manscaped Lawnmower 4.0, and this is exactly what I'm going to be using for this demonstration. So go ahead, trim all of the hair first, and then go ahead and shave it with the crop shaver. And so that's the demonstration. As you guys can see, my skin is super smooth, and I'm really happy with how this came out. So if you're in the market to give yourself the cleanest of shaves in your nether region, make sure you guys check out the brand new Ultra Smooth Package by Manscaped. And if you want to get 20% off your entire order, make sure you guys use the website link www.manscaped.com/Kouras. Again, to get 20% off your entire order, make sure you use the link www.manscaped.com/Kouras. But that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys found this video informational and you learned a lot about Manscaped's brand new Ultra Smooth Package. And if I helped you make a much better decision on whether or not you're going to be purchasing the Ultra Smooth Package by Manscaped, make sure you leave a like for this video and share this video with a friend. And if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys click on that subscribe button down below and click on the post notifications as well to never miss a new video. On my channel, I post a lot about men's grooming, self-haircuts, and different ways to help you guys save money and invest in yourselves. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Peace!